Did you know the word astronaut comes from the Greek words astron nauts, which means star sailor? The Milky Way is only a medium-sized galaxy with an estimated 200 billion stars. The largest galaxy we know of is called IC 1101 and has over 100 trillion stars. The first development of rockets was by the Chinese in 1232 AD, when they used gunpowder projectiles in battle. However, there is evidence that suggests they were experimenting with these prototypical rockets as far back as 995 AD. NASA rockets cost $500 million to build and launch. And they have launched a total of 166 manned rockets to space. Now that's a lot of money.